Let's take one example on star delta transformation and to find equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. This is the given circuit. We are supposed to calculate the equivalent resistance between terminal A and terminal B. So in this circuit, first check is there any resistance are in series or is there any resistance are in parallel. So here 18 ohm resistor and 6 ohm resistor are in series. We can replace these two resistors by single resistor taking the equivalent value, that is 18 plus 6, because these two are in series. I can replace these two resistors with 24 ohm resistor. Let this be node B, this is C, D and this be E. Now I'll redraw this circuit as the 5 ohm resistor is kept as it is. Here this is 18 plus 6, that is 24 ohm. This is B terminal and A terminal. This is node B, C, D and E. Now observe this circuit. Now no any resistors are in series and no any resistors are in parallel. So now we supposed to apply either star to delta transformation or delta to star transformation to simplify it further. Now look at this B, C, D resistors. Those are connected in delta fashion. We can convert this into star fashion so that we can further simplify this easily. I will try to convert BCD, which is in delta, into star. If I convert this delta into star, the equivalent delta resistor network may look like this. Let this be resistor R1, this be R2 and this is R3. Now we'll find the value of R1, R2 and R3. So we know that R1 is equal to product of these two divided by sum of these three. That is R1 is adjacent resistor 6 and 18. That is 6 into 18 divided by sum of these three delta resistors, that is 6 plus 18. So simplifying this, we can get 108 divided by 30, which is equal to 3.6. Calculate R2 value. R2 is equal to, that is product of these two, adjacent to R2 is these two resistors, that is 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 18, which is nothing but 30, that is 36 by 30, which is equal to 1.2 ohm. Similarly, the value of R3 is product of these two, that is 18 into 6 divided by 30, which is also equal to 3.6 ohm. So now I will replace the delta connected resistors with star fashion resistors of R1, R2 and R3. I will redraw the circuit here. This is R1 resistor, its value is 3.6. This is R2 resistor, its value is 1.2, and this is R3 resistor, its value is 3.6, and this is 6 ohm resistor is kept as it is, and here we have one more resistor, that is 24. Now observe this circuit. Here 5 and 3.6 are in series, I can replace these two resistors by single resistor with value 5 plus 3.6, that is 8.6. Similarly, these two resistors are replaced by, these two are in series, these two are in series. I can replace these two resistors by 6 plus 1.2, that is 7.2. Similarly here, these two are in series, I can replace these two by 27.6. I will redraw the circuit here. This, the value of this resistor is sum of these two, that is 7.2 ohm, and this is 24 plus 3.6 is 27.6 ohm. Now here we can observe that these two resistors are in parallel. I can replace these two by single value. So these two are in parallel. I can replace this with R equivalent value, that is 7.2 into 27.6 divided by sum of these two, that is 34.8. So simplify into 27.6 divided by 34.8, which gives 5.710. 5.710. So now I will redraw the circuit, that is, this is 8.6, the value of this is 5.710. Now we can see that 8.6 is in series with 5.710. Therefore, the resistance between AB is RAB, which is equal to 8.6 plus 5.710. Therefore, RAB is equal to 5.710 plus 8.6, that is 14.31 ohm. So I can redraw the circuit as this is A terminal, this is B terminal. Value of this resistor is 14.31 ohm. So this is the resistance between AB, that is 14.31 ohm. Thank you for watching.